Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I say thank you very much for the committees that receiving my draft or article for this international conference on communication management and humanities or aid. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting about the result of our research. Our team consists of five-person teams, and the title of our research is the using of internet communication technology to Tokopedia as an online training media in pandemic period for communities Facebook group. I love Parepare City. Okay, well, why this research should be done in this Indonesian outbreak of pandemic? Because there is the chance of the community style in communications because of COVID or Corona COVID-19. All the people change their style in communication. For example, when they need to make communications to the people, they can, before COVID, they can go directly and communicate with that people face to face. Maybe a little of them using a phone or by phone or message like WhatsApp or Facebook. But when COVID-19 is coming to Indonesia, especially in Parepare City, there is the chance of the communications. Why? Because the manual communications chance to digital communication, or I say here technology. They're using technology. Why? Because this is the separating the limitation relation with the people to avoid coronavirus COVID-19. This is, the chance of the communications. But not the important thing is not the chanting, but the important thing is the communication technology. Because maybe before Corona, before COVID-19, the people just look using the technology, just using for the fun, just for the fun. Yeah, maybe for calling someone or family, calling friend, only that. Message using WhatsApp and Facebook, only that. But when Corona came into them, they're thinking how to buy something with this communication technology, like an internet, using an internet and buy something. But not all in Facebook or in social media sell what they need. But there is one shop including the three commerce familiar shop in internet. I say here that shop is it called Tokopedia. Tokopedia is there are three e-commerce: Tokopedia, Lazada, and Bukalapak. But I focus in Tokopedia. Why? Because some people say Tokopedia is using the practical way, using the many way to make transactions in the bank, and also without charging of sending goods to the people, to the buyer, without charging, without cost, and all the goods in maybe not all the goods, but several of the goods is most of them are cheaper for the people. So this community I love Parepare City is most of the community using this application Tokopedia to buy something. So this research using the internet communication technology to access Tokopedia as an online training media in pandemic period for communities Facebook group. I love Parepare. So this is the reason why with my team done this research in pandemic COVID like this. Okay, this is the first slide. And the second slide, we can see that as a background of the problem, this research is the use of internet in communication technology in the world is there is a data from International Telecommunication Union that populasi dunia, world populations in year 2017 around 6.5 million. 6.5 million. It's very big. And 2018 come up around 6.9 million. And 2019 become up and maybe higher 7.4 million. And the user of the internet communication as a technology communication in the world around consists of a population 6.5 million in year 2017 is around 16%, and in year 2018 around 30%, become up maybe twice up, and in the year 2019 48% also come up. This data is come up for the Usenet technology. And in for the improvement country like Indonesia, there is at least not the development of using a technology, a communication technology, internet is not improved like the not grow up with the improvement country, but is still under the population using the same with the improvement country. Because on year 2017 the data say around only 80%. It's different with the improved country around 51%. This is because the economic standard and economic result of the people of the year, or we say brutto, or the permanent income for one people in Indonesia. Because Indonesia is not the improvement of the rich country, but Indonesia is the developing country still to make every kinds of the improvement is still many expensive. Yeah, so in internet technology, because I need high cost using communication technology, internet is using a high cost. The high cost is very very expensive because the data is some Indonesian people is couldn't buy. Okay, in year 2018 of Indonesian developing country has only grow up, but bigger grow higher grow up around 21%, and for improvement country is very excellent, is around 67% grow up. In 2019 for the developing country 41.3%, on improvement country is around 81, is twice higher than before in year 2019. In 2019 is very very higher. The data said that using communication technology and an internet is every year grow and growing up. This is so that communication technology, internet, of course, need to the people to make communication better, cheaper, and faster. So because this is the technology, but the technology can explore, can influence any side of the human being, environment, social, economic, and anything. I think these are the second slides, and next we are going to the third slide.